Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Christian. And today we're doing the hairstyle inspired by the Arsenal player Martin Ødegaard. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So today, Christian, we are inspired by Martin Ødegaard, who's playing football professional. Are you excited for it?
Definitely.
Yes, perfect. Let's do it. No, it's just been on program.
I guess not. Still.
Yeah. Good, Christian. Tell me about you playing football.
Yeah, I'm playing football. I play for Vilain Club at the moment. I've been there for 1.5 years now. Yeah.
Exciting! Who has been your biggest inspiration in football?
I guess in terms of football, it was as a child it was a guy called Jack Wilshere.
Nice.
Yeah, who inspired me as a player back then, and he retired now. So
okay, so he doesn't play anymore.
He doesn't play anymore.
No.
So I guess my inspiration now on is Martin Ødegaard, both in terms of style and vision in the game.
Nice, cool. And we use the sidekick serum today. So we get the anti-fresh, good volume, and some heat protector.
And this was the Martin Ødegaard hairstyle. Christian, how do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
And Renee, I think you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.